Hey everyone, it's Tom Fresh Vintage. Today we're checking out the NOCO Boost Plus, and we actually want to specifically make a quick video here on how to engage the manual override on this, because it's not as easy as you think. This is a GB40, but I'm assuming it would apply to most NOCO Boost Plus, and with that we're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery cables so that there's going to effectively be no battery in this 1965 Mustang GT with a small block V8 in it. So this is going to give everything it has via manual, engaging the manual mode, the override mode. So with that, let's go ahead and get everything hooked up. Our NOCO GB40, and we're going to enable manual override mode. The battery is completely disconnected, and you can see there's no tomfoolery here. There's a negative terminal, there's the positive terminal, and we have them hooked up. And to be frank, there's a little unclarity, not so clear in the product manual for this thing, but Fresh Vintage has got you covered because we got the process here. So what you want to do is you want to turn this on before you connect this. You want to turn this on, so you're green, and then you want to enable manual override mode. So please know you're bypassing all the safety features and you're giving everything this thing has to the battery. In this case, our battery's at 0 volts because it's disconnected, so we're in the exact right situation for manual override. But this is fully charged, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the red exclamation point. Once this light comes on and these start chasing, you want to hook this up, and then go ahead and hit it, Jay. And just like that, the NOCO has started a car with no battery in it at all, and in this case it was 0 volts. So this will definitely work for your 4-cylinder car, your 6-cylinder car, like I said, up to 6-liter gas engine and 3-liter diesel. So to wrap things up here, the engaging manual mode is actually really quick and easy once you know the right steps. And just to recap, you want to make sure you have your cables hooked up and your clamps hooked up to the cables, and then you want to turn it on, then actually hit the red boost button here. This bypasses all the safety precautions in here and just gives full juice. This white light will turn on and flash. So this is manual mode, bypassing all the safety precautions. Then you want to actually plug these two together. If you do that beforehand, if you actually plug this in and then try to turn it on, you're going to get the reverse polarity light coming on, and it's just not able to actually bypass all the override and engage manual mode with these connected first. So make sure you turn this on and then push your manual override button, and once you have this light and these are chasing, you can actually connect these and then jump start the car from there. But if you like Chargers, if you like Chevelles, if you like Mustangs, if you like classic cars and vintage cars, if you like tech, if you like diagnostics and DIY repairs, Fresh Vintage is your channel. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.